Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? I hope all of you are doing excelente and all of you have enjoyed your holidays, right? And for all of you, Feliz Dia del Niños means Happy Children's Day. I missed you all so much. And today we are going to do something special for Children's Day. Okay? So, empecemos. So, today we are going to learn a special poem in Spanish for all of you. This is specially for Children's Day. And what is Children's Day in Spanish? I have told you earlier. Feliz Dia del Niños. Okay? So let's start. First, I'm going to tell you this poem in Spanish, then I'll translate it. Okay? Then it will be easier for you to understand. As I've told you, this is specially for Children's Day. So, this is specially for all the beautiful children around the world, like you all. Okay? The name of the poem is Que Canten los Niños. Actually, it's a song. First, we are going to learn it as a poem. All the words we should understand, we should pronounce it properly. Then, in our next video, we will try to sing this song. Okay? So empecemos. Que canten los niños. Que canten los niños, que alcen la voz, que hagan al mundo escuchar, que unan sus voces y lleguen al sol, en ellos está la verdad. Que canten los niños que viven en paz y aquellos que sufren dolor. Que canten por esos que no cantarán, porque han apagado su voz. Now, the meaning. Que canten los niños means let the children sing. Okay. Now, I'm going to translate this poem in English for your understanding. Okay? So, que canten los niños means let the children sing. Okay? Let the children sing. Let them rise up their voice to make the world listen. Let them unite their voice to reach the sun in reality. Let the children sing for those who live in peace. Let the children sing for those who live in pain. Sing for those who will not sing, as they have turned off their voice. Okay? So, eso es todo. Practice it properly and try to pronounce it properly. Okay? I'm going to share the Spanish one and the English one in our GCR. Try to pronounce it properly. Next day, we will try to sing this song. Okay? So, till then, adios, hasta la vista, and take care. Stay safe and healthy.